Imagine a snowy landscape, a warm workshop, and the potential to turn a dream into a reality. As the winter chill descends, the world transforms into a wonderland of white. It's a season that brings with it an abundance of opportunities, and for the crafty, it's a chance to tap into the potential of wood, our most timeless and versatile resource. While some might see winter as a time for hibernation for woodworkers, it presents an array of unique advantages. There's an abundance of wood just waiting to be transformed. Fallen branches from winter storms, leftover timber from summer projects, or even an old piece of furniture. All of these can be given a new lease of life in the skilled hands of a woodworker. Winter is a time when we naturally find ourselves spending more time indoors. Why not use these cozy hours to create, to hone your skills, or even to start a new project? The rhythm of sawing, the melody of chiseling, the symphony of sanding. These can become the soundtrack to your winter, filling your workshop with the sweet smell of sawdust and the tangible satisfaction of seeing a project come to life. Moreover, as the holiday season approaches, handcrafted wooden gifts hold a charm that's hard to resist. From intricate ornaments to robust furniture pieces, the products of your winter woodworking can bring joy not just to you, but also to those who receive them. They can be the physical embodiment of the love and care you've poured into your craft, making them gifts that are truly one of a kind. But the greatest gift of all? The chance to build an empire from your passion. Winter, with its unique blend of challenges and opportunities, is the perfect time to take the leap and turn your woodworking hobby into a thriving business. With each piece of wood, you're not just crafting a product, you're crafting a dream. Winter is not a hindrance, but an opportunity waiting to be seized. Let's explore how. Meet Ted, a simple man with a not-so-simple dream. Ted's love for woodworking began as a child, crafting small trinkets and toys in his father's workshop. As the years passed, Ted's fascination with wood grew, as did his ambitions. He dreamt of transforming this passion into a thriving business, an eco-friendly woodworking empire built on his love for the environment and his commitment to sustainability. From the start, Ted knew that his journey wouldn't be easy, especially with winter around the corner. His dream was as vast as the snow-covered landscapes outside his window, and the challenges were as biting as the frosty winds. Limited resources, harsh weather conditions, these were just a few of the hurdles that Ted had to overcome. But Ted was no stranger to challenges. He embraced them, used them as stepping stones to reach his dream. He scoured for resources, repurposing fallen branches and discarded wood, turning them into beautiful pieces of art. He worked late into the night, his workshop glowing warmly amidst the cold winter air. His determination was as unwavering as the North Star, guiding him through the darkest nights and the toughest storms. Along his journey, Ted learned the importance of innovation and adaptability. He developed unique techniques to work with the wood, preserving its natural beauty while ensuring its durability. He created a warm, insulated workspace to combat the cold, allowing him to work comfortably even in the harshest of winters. His approach was as unique as the snowflakes that blanketed his town, each decision, each technique adding to his success story. And succeed he did. Today, Ted's dream is a reality. A thriving, eco-friendly woodworking business that stands as a testament to his passion, his dedication, and his unwavering belief in his dream. His story is not just about woodworking or building a business, but about the power of dreams, the strength of determination, and the magic of winter. Ted's story is a testament to the power of a dream, a plan, and a whole lot of determination. His journey, his triumph, is a beacon of inspiration for all those who dare to dream, even when the odds are stacked against them. Winter brings its own challenges to woodworking, but they are not insurmountable. As the temperatures drop and the days grow shorter, the woodworker's world changes. The once plentiful resources become limited, and the harsh weather makes it difficult to carry out even the simplest tasks. One of the biggest challenges winter woodworking presents is the scarcity of materials. Trees are harder to cut and transport, and the cold weather can make wood brittle and prone to cracking. But this is not a dead end. It's a chance to think creatively and utilize what you have at your disposal. You can repurpose old furniture or fallen trees from your backyard. There's a certain satisfaction in giving new life to something that was once forgotten. Weather conditions are another hurdle. Frigid temperatures and snow can make it difficult to work outdoors. But remember, necessity is the mother of invention. Consider setting up a cozy indoor workspace, perhaps in your garage or basement. Insulate your space to keep the cold out and your warmth in. And don't forget to ensure proper ventilation for your safety. Another concern is the effect of low temperatures on your tools. Cold can make metal brittle, leading to potential breakage. To prevent this, store your tools in a dry, warm place when not in use. Regular maintenance and oiling can also keep them in top shape throughout the winter. Working with wood in winter can also impact the drying and curing process of your project. The cold can slow down these processes, but patience is key. Allow your projects the extra time they need to dry and cure properly. Remember, every challenge you encounter is a chance to grow and learn. Embrace these winter woodworking woes and turn them into opportunities. Get creative with your resources, adapt your workspace, take care of your tools, and be patient with your projects. Challenges are just opportunities in disguise, waiting to be conquered. So, as you venture into the world of winter woodworking, keep your head high and your spirit undeterred. And with determination and resourcefulness, you can turn the icy dreams of winter into a thriving woodworking empire. Ted isn't alone. There are many who have crafted their success in the chill of winter. So let's dive into some real-life examples of woodworkers who've made their mark during the frosty season. First, meet Donna. She's a retired teacher who turned her passion for woodworking into an eco-friendly venture. During the harsh winters, she decided to incorporate reclaimed wood into her projects. This innovative approach not only saved her resources but also gave a unique, rustic charm to her creations. Today, her sustainable wooden furniture is a hit in her local farmers market. Then, there's Carlos, a young craftsman from the heart of Texas. He faced the challenge of limited resources head-on by optimizing his woodworking techniques. Carlos began using a method called wood turning, which requires minimal wood and generates less waste. His winter creations, from beautiful bowls to intricate vases, have earned him a dedicated online following. Let's not forget about the dynamic duo, Sarah and Mark. They had the brilliant idea to harness the power of solar energy in their woodworking shop during the snowy winters. By installing solar panels on their workshop roof, they were able to keep their tools running even in the harshest weather. Their dedication to sustainability is truly inspiring. And finally, we have Sam, a seasoned woodworker from Colorado. Despite the winter cold, he continued to work in his outdoor workshop thanks to an eco-friendly heating system. Sam's determination resulted in a line of stunning winter-themed wooden sculptures that are now displayed in local galleries. Each of these individuals had their unique approaches and innovative techniques, yet they all shared a common thread: a love for woodworking and a commitment to sustainability. They didn't let the winter chill freeze their dreams. Instead, they adapted, innovated, and flourished. These stories are a testament to the fact that success doesn't hibernate in winter. Every snowflake can be a spark of inspiration, and every icy gust a breath of renewal. Remember, winter is not a roadblock, but a stepping stone to success. Now it's your turn to turn the winter wonderland into a workshop of dreams. Let the snowflakes be your muse, the frosty mornings your motivation, and the cozy evenings your canvas. This winter, don't just dream, create. Let the icy winds carry your imagination to new heights. Let the soft glow of the fireplace ignite your passion for woodworking. But hey, don't keep all that creativity to yourself. Share your dreams, your ideas, your projects with us. We want to hear about your timber triumphs, your woodworking woes, and everything in between. So go ahead and drop a comment below. Let's start a conversation. Let's build a community, a woodworking empire, right here on Woodworking Eco. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more stories, more inspiration, and more dreams turned into reality. Remember, every great dream begins with a dreamer. Are you ready to be one?